How to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you don't have the app, go to the Play Store or App Store to download and install it, then sign into your account. To convert USDT to TRX, tap on the Swap option at the bottom of your screen. In the From box, tap and search for USDT. Once you find it, select it. Then in the To box, select TRX. After that, enter the amount you want to convert and tap on the Swap option at the bottom of the screen. You will successfully convert USDT to TRX. If this method doesn't work for you, another option is to tap on the Discover option, search for PancakeSwap, and tap on it. This will take you to pancakeswap.finance. Here, tap on the Connect option, choose Trust Wallet, and then tap Connect. Once your Trust Wallet account is connected to PancakeSwap, tap on the From box and select USDT. In the second box, select TRX. Enter your amount and tap on the Swap button. This way, you can convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.